performing beautiful Barbados with Jamaica on our minds and in our hearts. We're still pushing the awareness so that the world can know what Hurricane Melissa has done to our beautiful island. It's Jamaica all day, Jamaica every time. Big love. Great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica and we. Put two hands in here for Jamaica, Barbados. Jamaica one time. Yeah!